Hello guys, today I'm here with a new tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show how to fix front panel audio jack malfunction. So before starting, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go and subscribe to our channel and stay connected for latest updates. So guys, let's start. Firstly, make sure that you have already installed audio driver. If not, then simply update your Windows 10, or install the driver from manufacturer site. After installing audio driver, open the console from notification area of taskbar. If the icon isn't available, search for the application. In my case, it's Realtek. After console opens, look for setting named Enable Jack Detection when device is plugged in, or something very similar to it. If it's disabled, enable it and check if it's working or not. In my case, it's working perfectly. If it's still not working for you, change the playback device options, and try again. If still you got an issue, try installing your correct audio device driver. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and for more updates stay connected and have a great day.